Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 game crashing or not launching or not loading, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on the controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button and let 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Now choose Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally, select update using internet option. Then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. If nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.